Hi, my name is Shahid, and in this video we are going to talk about connected site tags. Connected site tags are that unpopular hero in Google Analytics 4 which will reduce the labor of adding gtag.js code to all the site web pages manually. Not sure what I mean by gtag.js? Refer to our video on gtag.js linked in the description below. These site tags collect user data from different analytics platforms. So once you have connected the tags of different properties on your Google Analytics account, it enables you to run a cross-platform analysis on all the user data. Imagine a single set of reports on site users coming in from different analytics platforms. Connected site tags also enable you to make recommendations that improve site performance and optimize marketing campaigns for the website. Based on the data received by site tags, you can know which URLs have been the most effective in attracting users to your content or site to make informed marketing decisions. For example, you will learn which email newsletters brought the most traffic to your website. Note that connected site tags only work if you're using gtag.js library in your site's code. If you are using analytics.js, you will have to replace that code with gtag.js to get started with connected site tags. To start using connected site tags under your universal analytics property, if you already have one, click on admin. Then in the left hand column, click tracking info and then tracking code. But in case you don't have an existing universal analytics property, you will need to create one by clicking on the click to action button, get started, under the I want to create a new Google Analytics property and select the website. You're all set to copy the tracking code now. Once you have figured that out, under tracking code you will find gtag.js code snippet that needs to be copied into the head of every web page. Here is where using connected site tags saves you from doing that manually. To connect, simply enter the property ID, it is the one starting from UA, under connected site tags option that can be found on the same page as gtag.js in tracking code. Once your tags are connected, gtag.js will send data to Google Analytics when an event occurs. An event can be any activity on the website, such as purchase, sign up for emails or subscription to newsletter, clicking an ad, or scheduling a call or a demo. By integrating connected site tags, your operations will become efficient and your chances to excel in digital analytics improve, as it will bring in all the information regarding any traffic or activity on your site that is handled by these tags. Let us know in the comment section how your connected site tags work for you. Let us know how you have used the Google Analytics 4 property for your website and business. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Give us a like if you find this useful and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.
Data Science Dojo. Data science for everyone.